Alright, this is the trim that goes around the back tailgate window. It's kind of tricky, but comes off pretty easy. Here's a close look of what the clips look like. So they do come off. There's 3 on each side, 4 on the big piece that runs across the top. Now, to take these off, I'll kind of show it when I go to put them back on. Unfortunately, I didn't think about it till after I pulled everything apart. But to take them off, the sides come off first. You got these pieces here. These come off. They go around this piece. But you can take these off first, both sides. You don't have to take this piece. I did it the first time. You don't have to take this off. So when these pop free, it just kind of comes out. It's pretty, you'll be able to tell once you're doing it. It's very simple. And to put it on, the big one, this has to go on first. And these go on, obviously, which I'll show that in the video. There. Pretty simple. So take them off. It's kind of easy. You can just put a pry here. Just kind of pop it, and then you want to take it off from the bottom. So you want to take it off like this. Of that. take it off, you pop. But you want to take it off like this, bottom first, so the top will slide out. Super simple. Just get if you don't care about the paint, it's very simple. Get a screwdriver, whatever, slightly go in here. You get a plastic door panel popper tools. You can use those. But you want to just crack them free first. Get it away, and then you want to pull this bottom, like I said, this piece here, slide it like this down out, so you can pull this part out. Real simple.